Transpiration involves dash. A. Transport of glucose from leaves to fruit. B. Transport of water from leaves to stem. C. Transport of water from roots to leaf. D. Transport of glucose from fruit to leaf. So now, when you drink water, your body takes the water it needs and disposes of the rest, right? You urinate excess water out of your body. So transpiration is something like that for plants, but it is much deeper. So basically, transpiration is defined as loss of water from aerial parts of plants like flowers, stem, leaves into the atmosphere. So now, this is the process of transpiration. Plants, they typically get their water from the ground, right? They absorb water through root hairs. So now this water will go through the vascular vessels, which is known as the xylem, up. So as water is conducting upwards, different parts of plants are receiving water. But there is always going to be excess water. So now the excess water will then evaporate into the atmosphere through the leaves, the stem, or the other area above the ground parts of the plant. Right? That is basically the concept of transpiration. So if we go back to the question, they say transpiration involves transport of glucose. Before you even finish reading the question, you already know that this is wrong, right? Because transpiration has nothing to do with glucose. Transport of water from leaves to stem. That is also not correct because transpiration occurs from the ground up. It's coming directly from the roots. Transport of water from roots to leaf. Transport of glucose. So this is also out. This is out. This is out. So transport of water from the root to the leaf. So option C is our answer.